If you followed the instructions from my last video, congratulations. You have a Swiss roll filled with cream and iced to perfection. But is it enough? Is this enough to thumb your nose at God and his angels and demons in heaven and tell him that he does not control you or your life? No. This is not enough. We must go further. This paltry missile will not do a single Swiss roll. How will that inspire the masses to gluttony in excess, thus dethroning God from his ivory tower? How will this work? It shall not. Thus, I call upon Pazuzu. I call upon Yamastu. Contact your father and tell him I call him from the abyss. Tell him I call him by name, he who has slumbered since before time itself. Tell him I call him Mathran Karindaskar. Call him and tell him I call in my favor, for he must take this Swiss roll and thrice it, I say, for the bargain I struck with him at the beginning of time, that he may slumber unless I required him. Now that you've done that, you should have 3 Swiss rolls. Just like so. But this is not quite yet an affront to God, no. We have further to go. We're on to the exciting part of the assembly. First, you will need a cake plate or something similar. Next, choose the 2 strongest Swiss rolls out of the 3. There will be a weak one, I warn you. Demons can't keep to themselves. They cannot replicate something 3 times perfectly. There will always be a lesser Swiss roll. Now you want to flip them so that the sort of rolly bit is on the outside for both of them. So they form a little bit of a cavity in between them. It doesn't have to be a big one, but you want it to be there. Because we're going to fill that bitch up with M&Ms. Yeah. You're looking at nothing right now because I forgot to stop the camera. I'm just going to M&Ms. Ha! You have that camera waited till I was mid-pour to stop, like a piece of shit. Look at all those colours. Like the hopes and dreams of someone who still believes. Still believes there's hope for a better world. That there's surprises around every corner. Now you want to hide those so no one can take them from you. Ha! Hidden. Very goodly. Now, the next step, we're going to cover this bitch up in ganache. Catch you on the flip side. Camera waited till I was mid-pour to stop, like a piece of shit. Look at all those colours. Like the hopes and dreams of someone who still believes. Still believes there's hope for a better world. That there's surprises around every corner. Now you want to hide those so no one can take them from you. Ha! Hidden. Very goodly. Now, the next step, we're going to cover this bitch up in ganache. Catch you on the flip side. Next thing you want to do is make a simple chocolate ganache, add some cream and chocolate, and then melt it over some hot water, which we have under here. Melted together like so many empires risen and fallen out of the darkness. My past is like a weight around my neck. I see them all, decisions I never made or could have made. Men and women who were me but weren't. Are they just a collection of memories that I've inherited? A dark legacy going back to the beginning of time? Or was I them? Did I make those decisions? Am I destined to be this dark spirit wandering until humanity is naught but ash and I remain upon this planet? An endless cycle of death and rebirth. A lonely soul to wander forever. But yeah, you just need to get that a lot melted. And then we go on to the next step. Now that you've erected your monument, the last thing you need to do is melt some chocolate.
There's not enough chocolate on it already.
Now that we have coated our chocolate ganached, demon summoned Swiss rollers, there is not but one more thing to do. Add some little bits of chocolate on top. Doop. This one's meant to be a heart. It's already solidifying. Yes. And now for the final touch. A little bit of varied dust sprinkled on top to make the whole thing an abomination to all gods and all who worship them. It is done. A masterpiece. My magnum opus is a dog.